Hello guys, I am Arvind and in this lecture I am going to discuss conditional compilation and it is part 1. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss what is conditional compilation. So guys, conditional compilation, as the name suggests, that if certain condition is true, then the code would be compiled. Moving further guys, now we are going to discuss why we use conditional compilation. So basically conditional directives can be used to instruct preprocessor whether to include a block of code or not. Now moving forward guys, so these conditional compilation directives allow us to include certain portion of the code, and these are if and if else and if, and so on. Moving forward guys, now we will discuss what is the difference between if and #if. So the if statement is tested during the execution time to check whether a block of code should be executed or not, whereas the conditional compilation directives are used to include or exclude a block of code in your program before execution. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss first conditional compilation directive. So this is the first conditional compilation directive, #if, and if. So this is the syntax of this directive: if constant expression, statements, and then and if. So if this constant expression is true, then these statements would be compiled. So let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler and I will show you the working of this directive over there. So guys, in this program we will learn about conditional compilation directive, #if, and if. So in this program I have defined a macro n, and 10 is the macro expansion for this n. And now in main function we are using this #if and if directive, and here if this constant expression is true, then it would compile this statement and then execute it. So now if I run this program, so it will print Arvind. So I hope it is clear to you guys. Now moving on to next directive. So guys, this is the second directive, and that is #if, #else, and if. And here is the syntax of this directive. And in this directive, if this constant expression is true, then it would compile statement 1, otherwise it would compile statement 2. So let me open the Turbo C++ compiler. So guys, in this program, if this constant expression is true, then it would compile and execute this statement, otherwise it would compile and execute this statement. So in this case, the value of macro is 10 and this constant expression will be true, so it will print this statement. So now if I run this program, it is printing Arvind, and if I change the value of macro n, let's say the value is 15, and now if I run this program, it is printing Kharwal. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.